What is up mga tech shop? So for today's video mga tech shop, I have here Huawei Y6P, and the issue is display and no touch problem. So if you're interested mga tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and disassemble the phone. Make sure to remove the SIM card tray and then pry the back cover. Pry the edges until you remove the back cover, but don't separate it yet from the phone because flex cable for fingerprint is still attached to the phone. Remove all the screws at the top cover. Once you remove all the screws, you will be able to remove the top cover and disconnect the flex cable. And you should have access to the battery, LCD flex cable, and charging flex cable. So basic troubleshooting magnetic shop, I just deattached the LCD flex cable and attached it back and tested it. However, the issue remains, so clearly there's a problem with the LCD itself. As you can see, touch is still not working, so I decided to replace the new LCD for this phone. I removed the LCD and then ordered an LCD online. If you're interested in the tools that I've been using in my repair magnetic shop, don't forget to check the links on the description. So here mga tech shop, I decided to replace a new LCD for this Huawei Y6P, and that solves the problem for this phone. Alright, I'm going to assemble the phone now. Apply some glue so that it's gonna hold the battery, and then put the top cover and screw it and attach fingerprint, and that's it. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Marketing Shop. We'll be posting more videos about cell phone repair. Let's go!